More work on the Charger RT.
Trying to get it flat.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that with the sandpaper. With this, with the block.
There was a dent in the rocker here.
Yep.
Doug pointed it out the other day, and it just had a little wiggle in there. And I think this is a new rocker.
Can't remember.
Yeah, I can't remember either. But anyway, the seam is right there, so this was all a big transition. So it's pretty slick now.
And there was a little spot right up here. Got a little bit of top coat Bondo. Rest of it though, like a chameleon, it's about ready to get some sealer on it.
Yeah, don't take away my edge.
Yep.
There's one little pinhole here too, in the, because we had to fix our doors.
Yeah.
Because both of them open and hit the ground.
There.
What is it? A little. Yeah. See. Let me hit it with the shaker.
Yeah. You put a little green on it. Yeah. You get the little pinhole.
Let me just do this.
What grit you got on the air file?
I think this is 220.
220? Okay.
I don't like this. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it looks like a line.
Yeah, I know.
Put some more on it.
Yeah, you're bare metal.
Yeah, that.
So you're just bringing your line back because it won't let it go down anymore on that side. So.
I need a little swipe.
Yeah. That's what I would say.
Yeah, a little bit.
Swoopy swipe.
Okay. We'll leave that and close this video out. Getting close to doing a seal job, and then who knows after that. So.
All right, so this is for documentation purposes. This should be the last of priming and sanding. So it's at 320 right now, and trying to make sure I get as much of my body line back as I can. So I sanded up to there and sanded down to it. And getting closer, so we will get some white sealer on it. Yeah, this side is all done. We haven't done the fender on that other side, but
Look, we did.
yep. Very, very close. And I don't know what this is. This is wild. It's like that. That's all low because that gray is the top coat. I don't know where that came from, but that was revealed today. So a little more work to be done, and then we'll have it in white.
Sealer white.
Sealer white.
But the car's going to be red.
Yep. Nooks and crannies time.
Yep.
Okay. Bye bye. Any last words?
No, just it is the tedious, like, oh, there's another one. It's like
Yeah, Doug found quite a few things. Little pinholes and stuff like that, like where I've gapped and panel matched this.
Yeah.
Like there was a little bitty dot on the other side. So I probably had 3 or 4 of those that we found today that are little detail things that hopefully it'll be perfect.
Yeah.
We'll see.